He's in Okinawa, Japan. He's been in Okinawa since '06.
Okay. I'm done with everybody right now. I'm like ready to. Oh wait, Rashawn's right there. What's the tea? What's the
Alright,
tea?
Mom, I'll catch you later.
Personally,
I'll
I
try.
think the booty slang is the shit. I'm not even gonna lie. And I love the way he talk. Like, I don't know where he from, but I just like the way he talk. But, I love Sister Patterson's wig. Okay? She got it going on. She gotta go. Sister Patterson, fix your wig, girl. Fix your
Okay.
wig.
I don't even know.
But I love it or whatever. See, we UT campus, we love it. All right. So all I got to say, I'm just sitting here clowning. Shayna Shy, Ashley,
Hey.
Jamar,
Yeah.
Walker Walker,
Wow.
Do we want to say any few words? Hold up. No, ma'am. Hot damn. Uncut salami, bitch. Get
No,
that.
ma'am.
Hot damn. Uncut.
Beef jerky, bitch.
Oh, all that ass in those ass.
Ew.
Woo.
I hope you don't put that on YouTube.
That's ass.